The battle for Earth continues. The Draco, incoming Draco fighter spacecraft are being targeted by the Andromedian Greek fifth and sixth dimensional war planet, and as we see it in front of us, the brilliant white light of a fifth or sixth dimensional war planet zapping with its energy weapon an incoming Draconian fighter spacecraft that's trying to attack Earth. And then you've got the refraction of a purple war planet, which is where it's come from. That purple one will be a Draco, incoming Draco. They're already targeting the blue, both the purple and the blue invisible war planets. They're like 95% invisible, you can't even see them. Yoo-hoo! Bandits at what? Bandits at 4 o'clock. Bandits at 4 o'clock. Yoo-hoo! Gotcha, you bugger. Yoo-hoo! The Andromedian Greeks, as they speak ancient and unknown dialect of ancient Greek. They're doing the business. They said they were coming to help us. They had to come from the fifth and sixth dimensions because there's already 100 war planets between the third dimension, battling the third dimensional Andromedians. The only way they could get these people, and they were late, you see, they were behind schedule, so the only way they could stop Earth from being destroyed was by doing an interdimensional, getting some of their war planets in the fifth and sixth dimensions to do interdimensional jumps down to the third dimension like we have here, and battling the Dracos. The fourth dimensional Earth is under attack as well. But you know, don't worry. The people don't believe in aliens, so no worries. People don't believe there's other dimensions, so no worries. Boy, are they in for a big shock. There, as Thoth said, in the Emerald Tablets of Thoth, who lived 50,000 years ago, where it's 36,000 BCE. Yeah, they lived for 16,000 years. He said that there are 9 interlocked spaces: 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th dimensional Earths. 12 dimensions, 9 interlocked spaces from the 3rd dimension to the 12th, as 3 plus 9 equals 12. It's not rocket science. Yoo-hoo! The battle for Earth has begun in full swing. See what's going on now? He's managed to chase him off. Look, he's shot his energy weapon at the Draconian and he's zoomed off back out into space. Look, like a scared little cat. He's off. Yoo-hoo! He's fired his energy weapon at him and his craft has gone back out into space with his tail between his legs. Yoo-hoo! The Andromedian Greeks strike again. Defended another incoming Draco fighter spacecraft trying to attack Earth. No chance. All hail the Andromedian Greek 5th and 6th and all the others in the 3rd dimension. Brilliant. Fantastic. Yoo-hoo! Gosh, you know, somebody just killed some Dracos, didn't they? You know, people going about, oh, they've got grudges like the Ukraine war and stuff like that, and the Ukrainians have got grudges against Russians and all this bull crap. It's like, yeah, well, who ain't got grudges? The Chinese have got grudges. The Argentinians have got grudges. Everybody and his mama have got grudges. Yeah. So have the Draco, because during the late 1980s, the Americans killed some draconians, didn't they? But of course, you know, they try to wash it all up and say, and now they say, well, aliens don't exist. Yeah, well, you might think aliens don't exist, but the aliens know you exist, and they know that you killed some of their people, and now they're flicking into Draconian Interstellar Destroyer, War Planet Astrofleet, and all its millions of fighter spacecraft are here to destroy the planet, probably using their ray pause, as Nostradamus called it. Ray pause is an antimatter weapon. And that's what they'll do to destroy it. They've already smashed up more planets in the galaxy than you've had hot dinners. Using their antimatter weapons. I mean, of course, if you're going to flicking destroy, the best way to destroy a planet and break it into pieces is hit it with an antimatter weapon for so many seconds, 30 seconds. And that'll break it all up into flicking pieces. No crybabes. You know, that's the trouble with people who are warmongers. What goes round, flicking comes round, silly idiots. And that's the trouble with these warmongering people who think they're clever, might is right, and all this other doctrine. Yeah, well, the Draco are mightier than you. They're 10,000 years ahead of you. The Andromedians are like 50,000 years ahead of any advanced civilization on Earth. And you're lucky that they've come to save you. Otherwise, the Earth, we wouldn't be here now. The Earth would be an asteroid belt now. We'd all be floating in space dead. Yeah. If it weren't for the Andromedians protecting us from these incoming Dracos, because some Americans killed a load of Dracos in the late 1980s. But, you know, the Draco couldn't come... The Draco just put it on the grudge list. Earth, next planet. Draco's just put it on the grudge list because they were already smashing up another planet somewhere else. So they said, well, you know, we'll arrive in 40 years' time. No worries, no crybabies. We'll destroy Earth, no crybabes. Until we got a distress call. We sent a distress call to the Andromedians. Somebody did. And they sent their Astrofleet from the 5th and 6th dimension. Interdimensional jump to the 3rd dimension to stop these buggers. No crybabes. No crybabies. What goes round comes round. Don't kill aliens. Because, you know, the aliens have got mates in the other side of the galaxy. And when they get the transmission that their people have been killed, they go, oh, well, we've got a grudge list. We've got a grudge list longer than your arm, mate. And now they're here to kick some ass. And your F-35 won't save you. Idiots. Go on, get 'em, buggers. Woo!